Well, folks, it's a new day, same outfit, same hair. I did take a shower though. I got showered, got cleaned up, got a good night's rest, and we're back at it again today. I need to take photos of this bathroom. Let's talk, oh, okay, well, how did you get in here? Okay, well, here's the thing about this bathroom. When we did this bathroom 12 years ago, 12 years ago, I had a conversation with myself and I said, all right, we're going to remodel this whole home, one room at a time, which is exactly what we did. And we started with the bathroom because it was bad. It was bad. So we remodeled that bathroom and I told myself, I want all Tuscany. Because that was the thing. It was like if you didn't have beige travertine with the brown tiles, with the big chunky leather couches, the bigger and fatter the better, then what were you even doing, right? So that's what I started with. and then luckily we redid all the rest of the house at once. And so it, you know, it has a cohesive vibe and style, but not that bathroom. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's okay. If I've lived with it, taken photos in it for like brands, it's been fine. It really is. It's just the oldest part of the house is all. Fine. Everyone's clothes on their beds for me. So all the sweats are the boys, and then my pants go on my bed, and then Dad has a set of sweats as well. All right, ask me how far I got with the pictures. I only got pictures of one bathroom. Bless you, lady. And so I just didn't get very far because I actually was doing a lot of design back and forth with a designer that I'm working with, and we got a ton of stuff like picked out, and that will all come later once it's like finished. Like, I don't want to show you things, like I don't really know how I would show you things until I have things solidified. If you guys have certain ways that you're like, no, show us this as you're doing the house, comment in the comments down below. And tell me if there's a way that you would like to see me telling you and showing you things about the house. I like coming to you with like a room done at a time, you know what I mean? Or like a video at a time when like something has happened. Because I feel like that's the most informative way, and it's not just like little things here and there. For me, my point of view, it's for the title and thumbnail purposes. If you're like, oh, I just want to see house stuff, you can see, here's where I talk about this. And it's not like intermixed with all the vlogs. But you guys tell me what you think. Anyway, for dinner, I went to the grocery store, and I don't usually buy coconut flakes because there's usually like sugar in it. And when I'm making like an acai bowl, fruit has a lot of natural sugars, and so I don't like to add any extra sugar, you know what I mean? I know they're different, but anyway, this brand does not have any, it's just unsulfured coconut. I love red milk, Bob's red milk, and I think it's the packaging, I really do. Okay, I got a lemon to go on my kale tonight, and then I got chicken and roasted, or I'm gonna roast some sweet potatoes, and then extra fruit because we go through a lot of fruit in this house because that's what the kids have for after school snacks. Boston picked these out.
They're huge.
Yeah, they're huge.
Man, I'm not complaining though.
I wasn't complaining, and when the guy checked me out, these were, it was $10 for 6 gargantuous apples, which may be like, whatever, that's fine. But then once he rang it up, he like grabbed the bag and like plopped it. I was like, ah, you're gonna bruise my $10 apples. Cool it. Anyway. Okay, do you want to get me a Tupperware so that I can shred the chicken? Joel doesn't love when I do rotisserie chicken. However, he's out at the house working right now.
Rotisserie chicken's good.
I love rotisserie chicken, and if I get a rotisserie chicken, I can take care of it. And if we do the other kind of chicken, I don't know how to cook it, and so Joel usually ends up taking care of it, and I didn't want him to have to like worry about it. So, yeah.
I smelled it when it came out.
That smells really good. Kind of greasy though. Okay.
But they smell so good and it's healthy. Like it's good chicken. It's not.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, go put this downstairs.
Okay.
And I have one for upstairs, extra virgin olive oil. Oh, actually I have a full one up here. Will you come get this one too? Take it downstairs. Thank you.
Yeah.
La 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 la, la 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 la. Hey Bossy, where are you? Come here. I'm gonna have you come dry the dishes. I should probably wash my hands first. Sorry, Olivia, someone brought up this dish soap. Will you also take that downstairs? Because I already have one up here.
Yeah. Wait, Mom, do you guys have Spanish tonight?
Huh?
Do you have Spanish tonight?
Nope, Spanish class got canceled.
Why?
Okay, and let's just talk about this comment that I got. Someone was like, you can't learn Spanish because you barely know English. Okay, well, clearly I'm fluent in English. If we can post a video every day of us only talking English, I think we know English. Okay, however, do I know the grammar perfectly? No. And do I care? Absolutely not. And if people only did things if they were perfect at it, nobody would be doing anything. So if you're scared to do something because you think you're not gonna be perfect at it, who cares? You know what I'm saying?
And that's what like, what's it called? That one like thing that corrects your work.
Autocorrect?
Yeah, that's what autocorrect's for.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Grammarly or whatever that stuff is.
I'm not gonna say you're wrong.
I mean, I'm not wrong, but.
Okay, hand me a plate. Hand me Dad's plate.
Okay.
He likes. I know. He likes just that one right there.
I don't like that. That's
Dad likes the legs. He's the only one that really likes them.
See, but when I was little, I used to like eat those like crazy.
She did. She did. She sat in that windowsill and she's like ate one to the bone.
I think
You can put that over here, Olivia, because we're obviously not ready to eat. So.
I think I tried to eat the bone. See, I don't do that anymore. I can't even take a bite. My school does chicken like that. I'm like, oh. But they have the like mashed potatoes, and I think those are good. But like, I don't like chicken. It's gross. But you guys, we only have like 14 or 13 more days of school.
I am so excited for the summer.
Oh, same.
Today the weather was nice and warm. That felt good. I know. I hate that.
I can't. This is why I can't do like doctor stuff because I barely make it through a rotisserie chicken.
When I was young, I thought for sure I was gonna be okay. Lady is at my feet. Usually when I do rotisserie chicken, I pick the pieces off. They're like yucky looking. I know this is kind of gross. Mom, don't listen. I just drop a little piece right there. And she looks it up. Yeah, she's just like, it's probably because it's hot.
Yeah.
I know that's really gross, but you know, it's fine.
You guys were not good at giving dogs rotisserie chicken or speaking English apparently.
You quit Spanish class?
No, the guy canceled it for tonight. I went that little piece and this little piece.
Hopefully I thought you said you canceled the whole thing.
I canceled.
You know, I might be canceling it on my behalf and just letting Joel learn it.
Because like you're learning like verbs. Like when I took Spanish class, they were just like, okay.
Well, they started with the grammar, and I think it would have been, I could have like built my confidence a little bit by learning like phrases and words.
See, I know a little bit. Like I know how to start a conversation, but it's like,
How do you start a conversation?
you say hi.
How do you say hi?
Oh.
All right, well, Olivia's no better than I am.
No better.
Well, let's hear it. Prove me wrong.
No. I don't think I want to do that.
All right.
Apparently I suck at English and Spanish.
It's okay.
No hablo English. You guys can't speak either.
All right, guys, I think we're going to call it a vlog. Hopefully I get the house listed very soon. I should finish my pictures this week. You know, we'll see. We'll see where the week takes us. Bye, guys.
They made this in science. So the world, it goes around this once a year.
Okay. Around what?
The sun, and the world, it twists around 24 hours a day.
Wow.
The moon goes around the sun 4 times a year.
Moon goes around the Earth 4 times a year? Really?
Another cute thing that he made.
That's actually wicked cool.
Oh no, he was telling me all about it.
The thingies are like brads.
Yeah. That's cool.
Where's
Let's keep that guy. Maybe
Isn't
we should
that
take that
fun?
somewhere.
You should put it on your wall in your room.
I
Yeah.
don't want to hang it up because then I can't
Play
Oh,
with
you want to
it.
play with it? Yeah.
Okay.
This is
You can put it on your toy box.
You should laminate it.
Cool.
This is wicked cool.
So
I should
fun.
just get the sun, cut a little bit out a circle, put it on there, put it right in, then get a little bit of earth, put it right in,
When I was your
Hang it,
age,
get
my
it right in.
librarian, I can't remember her name. She was so sporty though. She drove like a sweet sports car that was a convertible. And she was like 80. She was so cool. I can't remember her name though. Anyway, she had a solar system that you would spin it and all of them would spin. It was like on chains. So it would like, as you spun one thing, everything would just rotate as it was supposed to.
Oh, Dad,
Awesome.
what? This is the
We'll
galaxy.
find one of those things.
This is like
That's
galaxy.
the galaxy?
Yeah, I tried drawing it again.
Cool.
So the green and the purple.
Oh, that's the galaxy. Yeah, looks
Yeah.
like
I
it.
love
I
it.
like it.
What are you doing, boss? Just putting Dad's shirt on?
Look like you're peeing in the corner.
Please don't.
Yeah, please don't pee in the corner.
Okay, put this
All
in the
right.
room so we don't
Good
lose
night,
it. I don't wanna
everybody.
see on that.
I'm not gonna say that. Oh, but you can keep in the butt.